Welcome to a brand new year and a brand new opportunity to grow, not just plants, but healthier, wealthier, and a happier life. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just getting started, you're in the right place. Hi there, I'm Florida Garden Gal, and today we're diving into why gardening is the perfect goal for 2025. From boosting your health to saving money and creating joy, gardening truly has the power to transform your life. Imagine stepping outside to pick fresh vegetables from your garden for dinner. You'll feel the stress melt away as you tend to your plants. Or even turning your garden into a source of extra income. It's all possible, and I'm here to show you how. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's explore the amazing benefits of gardening. By the end of the video, you'll see how gardening can help you grow a better year and a better you. So let's dig in, pun intended, and make 2025 the year we grow something truly amazing together. Have you ever stepped into a garden and felt immediately at peace? That's no coincidence. Gardening is not just a hobby, it's a natural way to boost your health in more ways than one. First, let's talk about physical health. Did you know that gardening can be as effective as a light workout? Activities like digging, planting, and weeding burn calories, and carrying those bags of mulch and black cow and garden soil can be like weightlifting. Plus, it keeps you moving without feeling like you're exercising. And I personally hate exercising. Gardening also gets you outdoors, soaking up some sunlight, which is a natural source of vitamin D. This vitamin boosts your immune system, strengthens bones, and even improves your mood. Just don't forget to wear your sunscreen. And then there's the food. Growing your own fruits and vegetables means you have access to the freshest, most nutrient-packed produce possible. Imagine stepping outside, picking a ripe tomato, and enjoying it with minutes. You can't get more farm to table than that. Gardening is also a great way to care for your mental health. Studies show that it reduces stress, lowers anxiety, and even helps combat depression. I personally can attest to that. I really started gardening when I lost my daughter, and it's become a big part of my life ever since then. Spending time with plants connects us to nature and offers a calm escape from the hustle of daily life. Gardening is also a fantastic way to strengthen your relationships and bond with your family. Teaching your kids to nurture their own garden not only gives them valuable skills, but also can build lasting memories. And did you know that gardening isn't just great for your health? It can also help your wallet. Whether you're saving money or earning it, gardening is a smart investment. So let's talk about saving money first. Have you noticed how much fresh produce costs these days? A single bell pepper can cost over $1, and organic options, even more. But if you grow your own, the cost of seeds or seedlings is a fraction of what you'd spend at the store. And I personally have pepper plants that I planted in 2023, and now we're in 2025, and they're still growing. So small investment for a big return. But planting just a small vegetable garden can save you hundreds of dollars a year. Imagine harvesting your own tomatoes, peppers, or herbs instead of buying them weekly. Plus, the quality is unbeatable. Gardening doesn't just save money, it can also make you money. If you've got a green thumb or develop a green thumb, you can consider selling your extra produce, herbs, or even seedlings. Farmers market, local events, or even online platforms are a great place to start. My sister-in-law in Kentucky always raises a big garden, produces more than her and the extended family can eat, even after she's canned a lot of it. So she takes her extra green beans to the local farmer market on Saturday morning and sells them. And she enjoys it immensely. Not just the money, but the interaction with the people and knowing that they're going to have a healthy food source. So it's not just about food though. You could do ornamental plants like succulents or flowers. Those are always in demand. People love color. You can create beautiful arrangements or sell potted plants to bring in extra income, whatever you're most interested in. But even if you don't plan to sell your gardening, it still reduces expenses in other ways. Think about it. Fewer trips to the grocery store, which means less money on gas, and we all know how expensive gas is these days. Less waste because you only pick what you need. You don't end up throwing it away because you bought too much at the grocery store. And it can help lower landscaping costs if you grow your own flowers and shrubs. So there you go, some ways to save money by gardening. And what about the happiness benefits of gardening? Have you ever noticed how it seems that if you go to a botanical garden or a friend who has a garden, that time just slows down? That peaceful feeling isn't just in your head. Gardening has a special way of bringing happiness into our lives. I have a sign that says, I go into the garden to lose my mind and find my soul. And that's so true. And right now I have 2 chickens coming up wondering what I'm doing out here. So you may end up seeing them in the video. So back to the video. One of the biggest joys of gardening is the sense of accomplishment. Watching a tiny seed grow into a vibrant plant reminds us of our ability to nurture life. Every bloom, every harvest is a small victory that boosts our confidence and brings us joy. It's kind of like raising our families. And if you had that need to nurture and your family's grown and off on their own, then gardening can fulfill that need to nurture. Just like raising our families, sometimes it's challenging, but mostly it's rewarding. So it also brings joy to the table. There's something incredibly fulfilling about eating food that you've grown yourself. Every bite is a reminder of the love and effort you've put into the garden, and it just tastes better. And it connects us with nature in a way few other activities can. The fresh air, the feel of the soil in your hands, the rhythmic act of planting and tending to the garden, it just creates a meditative experience. It's truly the perfect way to de-stress and focus on the present moment. For many, a garden becomes a personal sanctuary. I know it has for me. It's a space to reflect, dream, and recharge. Spending even a few minutes a day surrounded by nature, filming a video, and the chickens coming up next to you, this just can improve your mood and inspire creativity. I think everyone should enjoy gardening or have the opportunity to experience this type of fulfillment. Gardening's not just about planting seeds, it's about planting possibilities. They say gardeners plan for the future, or you could say gardeners plant for the future. It's all about creating a space that nurtures your health and can grow your wealth and fills your life with happiness. Every seed that you plant is an investment in yourself, your family, and the future. Whether you're looking for a way to eat healthier, save money, or simply find joy in the small things, gardening has something for everyone. So, why not make 2025 the year you let gardening transform your life? Start small, dream big, and watch as your garden grows alongside your health, wealth, and happiness. So, add your comments below. Let me know what you think. Have I inspired you to try gardening or to set gardening as your 2025 resolution to build a happier, healthier, wealthier you, doing something that you will love and that will bring you joy? Let me know what you think. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to learn more about how to raise plants, do gardening, and share this if there's anyone else that you may think needs some inspiration for their 2025 New Year's goals. Happy gardening.